Hey everyone, today we're heading to Nikaho, Japan, a hidden gem in Akita Prefecture known for its stunning nature and relaxing hot springs. I picked out the top 5 hotels in this area, so let's dive right in. Coming in at number 1 is Ichie. This charming 3-star Japanese inn has an 8.0 rating from 26 reviews on Agoda. It's a traditional ryokan offering an authentic Japanese experience. Ichie is located in the Onawashiro area of Nikaho. It's about 2 kilometers from Nikaho Station. The Shirase Antarctic Expedition Memorial Museum is just 2.2 kilometers away, making it a great base for sightseeing. The inn features traditional tatami rooms with mountain views, an onsen hot spring bath, and a cozy bar. Rooms range from 20 to 37 square meters, and some even have private open-air baths for ultimate relaxation. Prices start around $151 per night, and both breakfast and dinner are included. The half-board plan lets you enjoy authentic Japanese cuisine without leaving the property. Free Wi-Fi and air conditioning are standard. Guests love the delicious meals and warm hospitality. It's perfect for travelers seeking a genuine Japanese inn experience. Check the pinned comment or description for the discount booking link. At number 2, we have Tabist Tatsumi Kanyo Hotel. This 3-star hotel scores an 8.1 rating from 29 reviews. It's one of the most reliable options in the Nikaho area. Located in Kasakatamachi, this hotel is conveniently positioned near local shops including a 100-yen store, supermarket, and home center. It's perfect for guests who want easy access to daily necessities. Amenities include an onsen with an open-air bath, a restaurant serving Japanese cuisine, free parking, and a 24-hour front desk. The hotel even welcomes pets, which is a nice bonus for travelers with furry companions. Room rates start from around 76,000 Korean won, making it a budget-friendly choice. The Japanese-style breakfast and dinner receive consistently positive reviews. Rooms feature tatami flooring and all the basics you need. Guests praise the friendly staff and clean rooms. The building isn't brand new, but it's well maintained. Great for budget travelers wanting comfort and convenience. Check the pinned comment or description for the discount booking link. Number 3 is Hotel Excel Kikusui. This 3-star hotel has a 7.3 rating from 14 reviews. It offers solid value with plenty of facilities for a comfortable stay. The hotel is situated in the Hirasawa area of Nikaho, with convenient access to local attractions. Nearby amenities make it easy to pick up anything you might need during your stay. Facilities include a spa, sauna, open-air onsen bath, restaurant, and coffee shop. The hotel is wheelchair accessible and offers laundry services, a business center, and elevator access throughout the building. Prices start around 79,200 Korean won per night. Breakfast options are available and receive good reviews for taste and variety. Checkout is at 11 a.m., giving you a bit of extra morning time. Staff are friendly and handle late check-ins well. Some guests noted minor maintenance issues in the bath area, but overall it's clean and comfortable. Check the pinned comment or description for the discount booking link. At number 4 is the great viewing Ocean View Villa Street, Kilda. This stunning 4-star private house boasts an incredible 9.9 rating from 50 reviews. It's the highest rated property on our list. This villa offers breathtaking ocean views and beautiful Akita sunsets right from your accommodation. The waterfront location provides a serene escape perfect for couples or small groups seeking privacy. The 144 square meter space includes a full kitchen, washing machine, balcony terrace, garden access, and modern amenities. It accommodates up to 6 guests comfortably, making it ideal for families or friend groups traveling together. Rates start around 249,460 Korean won, which is higher but exceptional value for a whole house rental. The villa features contactless check-in and check-out, plus free parking and Wi-Fi throughout. Reviewers love the hygiene standards, incredible views, and overall value. Perfect for travelers wanting a unique, private experience in Nikaho. Check the pinned comment or description for the discount booking link. Rounding out our list at number 5 is Yamaoh Yado and Cafe. This 5-star boutique accommodation has a 9.2 rating from 88 reviews. It offers an intimate and peaceful retreat. Located in the Hamayama area, it's accessible from Nikaho Station and Konora Station. The hotel is surrounded by beautiful nature, including nearby waterfalls, temples, and parks perfect for hiking and exploring. This adults-focused property features just one exclusive room for maximum privacy. Amenities include a garden, bar, free parking, and airport shuttle service. Rooms are Japanese style with modern comforts. Starting at just 69,900 Korean won or around 51 to 75 United States dollars per night, it's incredibly affordable for a 5-star experience. Breakfast is available, and free Wi-Fi keeps you connected throughout your stay. Guests rave about the outstanding value and exceptional staff service. Ideal for couples or solo travelers seeking tranquility in nature. Check the pinned comment or description for the discount booking link. And there you have it, the top 5 hotels in Nikaho, Japan. These rankings were based on total guest reviews on Agoda. Whether you're looking for traditional ryokan vibes, budget-friendly comfort, or a stunning ocean view villa, Nikaho has something special waiting for you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. See you in the next one.